Who are you gonna call?
Mason. She snores so loud. Roxy. She's got that tongue stuck out too.
Tom, I got your wishes. Okay.
Roxy.
Say yummy, yummy, yummy. Say
Roxy.
I made one for me. I made a lemon. Let's see some of these.
Roxy.